Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a bird. It's a colorful bird known for its stunning tail feathers. Peacocks are native to India and Sri Lanka. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as peacock, 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 while in American accent, we may pronounce it as peacock, 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 peacock. If you enjoyed learning about peacocks, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.